So this video may be kind of gross. It may be. I'm not 100% sure. But we are looking at the exempt visual earwax removal otoscope with camera. Yeah, that's it right here. We're gonna. So what's seems neat about this, and I don't know if necessarily everybody would use this, possibly, because, you know, people are cramming all kinds of things in your ears. Now, first thing to be aware is I'm not a doctor, physician, anything. I'm not going to talk to you about the safety. You know what? None of us should be cramming things into our ear holes, right? But in and around, of course, we're not going to go to the doctor every time, and we need to clean our ears. So, you know, I've heard all this arguments about don't use Q-tips, I use Q-tips. I've been using them for 50 years. You know what? I don't stick them in too far. It's really just that simple. But something like this, which looks like it has a camera in that, and this I think would be actually really cool for those of us that have young children, because we possibly want to clean their ears, and of course young children have a tendency to not be able to clean their own ears, for one, but two is they're just a lot dirtier, right? So they're magnets to dirt, especially in their ears, because even our little one, when she was little, you know, they get ear infections and stuff like that. So not to say that, you know, if they have sore ears that you shouldn't take them to a doctor, because you should, but this may be something that allows us to get in and around and do some, you know, just kind of looking, I would think. Plus, even for your own ears, you can't see what you're doing. Now you can, and it's probably going to be gross. Okay, so anyways, right now on Amazon.com, 5 stars at 5 reviews. All right, batting 100, right? Visual earwax remover. All right, HD ear endoscope. Cool. Compatible and multi-modes. It does have an app. I've already downloaded the app. You just look up ExemptCares. But I think there's a QR code in here. It does have a little App Store and Google Play Store. Super soft and skin-friendly. It's a must-have gadget for families. The tips are covered with skin-friendly silicone. Silicone. I'm going to go silicone. Covered to provide a new, intelligent ear-picking experience. That's what you want. Perfect solution. The perfect solution for ear cleaning. All right. Not recommended to wash the whole body. And it's not your body, it's this body. And they're talking about alcohol swabs. This is the box. This is it. It's not a big box, right? That's it right there. Exempt. All it has on it is the picture of it. It's light. It's tiny. App Store. It looks like you may be able to get it in a white or a black, possibly. And that's kind of it. That's kind of it. I've been waiting to do this one because, again, I wasn't feeling great, and if I'm gonna be probing myself, you know, I might as well do it on camera. Yeah, that's right. Anyways, you may not want to be seeing this, but you're gonna. I'm hoping everything's good. All right, so that's empty. And what do we get? We do get a little tiny visual earwax removal quick guide. Okay. There's a QR code, just so you guys can see that it looks like it should function. We'll just bring this up here. Right, there it is there. Tap. And oh, it takes you to their website, which may be even better. Then you can click on the download from whichever store that you actually wanted it to go to. Okay, cool. Anything else in here? Not really. It just kind of says... my guess is you do all the connecting from the app itself. All right, so it says download the app, long press the power button, 5 seconds to turn on the device, open the app, and add the device. All right, cool. You do get a little thing extra. You guys see that? It's a little thing. Where am I? Right there. Little thing extra. It looks like extra tips. Okay, that's good. Now I don't know what happens when you run out of these tips. I would guess that you could clean these, of course. and it's not something that you're digging around aggressively when you're playing around in your ears, right? Little tiny cable, again, I wish they would give you a little bit longer. I'm not a fan of small cables. USB-A to USB-C, but it gives you a cable to charge it. And last but not least, this is the magic. This is the magic right here. There's a little USB-C charging port. It's got a tip on it. That tip would just pull off. I'm not gonna. And I'm guessing there's your camera. Now I think it may have a little light on it as well. This is a 2-sip of coffee kind of day. Okay, well, let's slide over here to wherever I found it. Here it is. You guys can see it right there. ExemptCares. Would like to use. Yep, turning this on. It said 5 seconds, but I literally just turned it on. Okay, so I'm guessing we hit the little plus at the top. And dental multifunction visual ultrasonic scaler visual earwax remover. I'm guessing it's that one. Connect. Power button. Indicator. I think so. Next. Connect to Wi-Fi. Start connection. Maybe it has its own Wi-Fi connection. Is that what it says? Oh yeah, it does. Exempt FB ear thingy. Okay, we're connected. Device connecting. Woohoo! So this is going to be crazy, like micro, right? Like it's a macro camera. There it is right there. You got shoot, you got video. I don't know. It says right ear, left ear. Maybe just the way it's going in. I'm going right ear. And you can record it. But we're doing a screen recording, so that's probably good enough. Yeah, see that? It's a bright light. Yeah, that's all right. You guys, right? That's got a little scoop. All right, here we go. Ready? I'm digging in my own ears. Looks like a little hair over there. Is this weird for you guys? Maybe it goes there. It goes. See, I think my ears pretty good, right? It's hard to tell. There's the canal. I've never seen so. Oh, there's a little piece right there. That's actually up top. That's actually up here. It's not. I'm not even in my ear. Where's the in? Oh, there it is. A little bit. You see it? I got a little bit right there. Get that out. And a hair. I told you this video is going to be gross. And there's a little bit back there. Oh, isn't that just the weirdest thing? Right? Now, I am going to say this because I can't get it. There it is. Oh, I got one. I'm a winner. What I am going to say is this. Strangest video ever, right? I am going to say this though. I just Q-tipped my ears 2 days ago, I think it was. So I need a Kleenex or something. I'm not going to wipe it on my shirt. But yeah, it's even then you can be like, yeah, I know I cleaned it, but you can see kind of what's in there. And no, not to go too deep. If you want to see what your brain looks like, I'm sure you could just grab it in. Look at all the hair in my ears. Isn't that gross? We're at a new level of knowing a lot about me right now. New level. Okay, I think that's actually kind of cool. And I do think, you know what, for those of us that especially have kids and yourself, because this is just a fun way to spend the afternoon. Let's be completely honest. You know what? That's a cool little camera. And even if you don't use it for that, you're like, let's just get close up to what this looks like. It's actually a surprisingly cool little lens. Now I'm going to hit record on the video here just because I'm curious. And I'm wondering if it actually shoots. You still see a little bit of wax on the end there. If it still just shoots like an actual HD video, or if it actually shoots the circle. I'll have it up here so you guys can see that. Right? Go over here, look at some text. You know? Because it looks like camera accuracy, pretty decent. Right? Horizontal, what is this? Horizontal or dynamic? Oh, I can't hit dynamic. I don't know what that means. And you can take photos or video, and you can do either ear. I'm going to stop that. And I'm going to say allow access. Cool. I don't know the price because currently it's out of stock over on their website, but I do know that they have given us a little code for you to use. Yeah, they gave us a code when they sent it to us, and it's 25% off if you order directly from their site. So if not from Amazon, but directly from their site. I don't know if it's stackable because right now it's $27.90, it looks like. And there's a whole bunch. Unlock 10% off your first order. Then it had 30% off, which could be cool, which may knock it off again. Then it has 25% off. So I'm not 100% if these are all stackable. If they are, you could get this like for a really good price. And just head over there. For those of you that want to try this, let me know if all the codes are stackable because I'll put the code down below. Other than that, yeah, it's cool. It works. It does its job. It connects easy. I'm going to turn it off. And yeah, I like that. I think that's all right. That's cool. All right, my friends. Links down below to ExemptCares website with the discount code. I'll also put links to Amazon.com if you're interested in buying it directly from Amazon instead. And that'll be it for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm showing you things that you never thought or never wanted, maybe never wanted to see. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.